everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to learn the rolling hitch, which is pretty similar to the clove hitch, but a little more adjustable. It's going to allow me to put more tension on the line, and the way that I'm going to use it on the vessel today is one end is made off to the side of the boat, and I'm going to bring the other end to the boom here. It has a metal fitting called the bail, and I'm going to use this line to secure the boom so it doesn't swing side to side. While we're at the dock, we also have this crutch that supports it, but underway, one of these preventers would be on each side. So to tie a rolling hitch, I've taken that bitter end through the bail or around something. I'm going to come back to the line, the standing part, and I'm going to cross it over and bring my bitter end up through that cross I made. Then I'm going to take it around the same path a second time. So I have two passes coming on the inside of that loop I made when I came through. For my third pass, I'm going to take that bitter end and cross it over the first two, but continue going around the line in the same direction and then tuck it under the cross. That part should look similar to the clove hitch. And once that's tied, I'll pull my end tight. Now, this is going to slide along the line, but lock in place once it slides. So I can pull it down, but it's not going to slide back, and it's going to hold that boom.